See if I assembled this stand correctly. Welcome back, guys. I can't. You may wonder why I'm standing in the engine bay.
Why are you standing in the engine bay?
I'm giving it. I was giving it a thorough clean. Henry's taken over. It turns out he's a lot better at cleaning than I am.
What's your plan tonight, Matty?
Well, the plan was to degrease the engine bay, get the engine off the tyre and off onto the engine stand, and then I don't know, maybe just start pulling some bits and pieces off the engine and see where we get. Might pull the headlights out and try and fix this HID problem I've had for about 7 years. So. This is annoying me. I hit this with the gurney earlier and this one went like, you reckon I should rip it off?
Rip it off, we'll get a new one.
Just get a new one, leave it off.
Yeah,
You better get the part number and just order a new one.
But look, it goes behind everything. We'll just cut it, yeah.
No, don't cut it, bro. Just leave it there. Leave it.
We'll just paint it black.
Fucking mess.
Look at that. It's like we know what we're doing. What's that?
No, it fell in place. But is that how long it is? That's it?
Yeah.
Little stubby thing?
This little thing.
Is there one that goes through here?
Yeah.
That's like a turn handle to spin it.
Turn handle. I think one of these slipped maybe.
No, that didn't move.
No?
Watch that, it jiggled in here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's the legs.
You've done a number on yourself there, Matty. What are you doing?
Just fart assing around to make a good YouTube video, but I'm unstuck. Yeah.
A little bit of a mix up.
I think I put the wheels the wrong way around. I'm heading to $250 getting a bit on the piss. That's not normal. You guys could literally just cut it. Like, you gotta fucking think.
Now you got the belt off.
So him and another.
That's probably why I could see a little bit of a leak down the back here. Yeah, I put all the power steering pump bolts back in. Those three bad boys. I've cracked the bolts for the bracket. You can see they're loose. What do you reckon? Call it a night?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I had a few setbacks with the bloody engine stand. That was fun, trying to fix the wheels on this thing. So that drained about, I don't know, 2 hours. Anyway, we're going to call it a night, continue it tomorrow, perhaps. Whatever.
Oh, hi there. Hey there, guys.
So it's me. Well, let me hold the camera up.